Hello and welcome to Pluralsight. I'm Tim Warner and you're watching Managing Oracle Database 12c Storage Structures. The chances are great that if you're using Oracle in your shop, that Oracle database is storing mission-critical data. It could be customer information, product information, employee information, intellectual property, research and development. The bottom line is, the data is probably pretty critical to the operation of your business. Thus, it's important for us to understand more about how Oracle Database 12c stores your data. In fact, that's how we're going to begin this module. We'll review how Oracle stores table data in blocks. This is going to serve to supplement what we covered earlier in the course when we dealt with Oracle's physical architecture. You'll also recall in that earlier discussion we looked at Oracle logical architecture, and that deals with non-file system objects that serve to organize, contain, and manage those physical structures. So we're going to learn about data files, which is our physical representation of our table row data, and then table spaces that are used to manage those data files. We'll understand how table spaces work in practice, and we'll also learn using SQL and Enterprise Manager how to create and manage table spaces. Now this module is going to be pretty darn interesting to those of you who have experience with Oracle but not with 12c. If you've never used Oracle at all, this will be new to you in any event, right? The single instance or the non-CDB database versus the PDB or pluggable database. This is what I consider to be the biggest new feature in Oracle Database 12c, and we really haven't talked about this too much thus far. So this will be the first lesson where we get into the idea of Oracle multi-tenancy. And the point here is to get your feet wet with that technology, but also to relate that to table spaces and how similar the management is, whether you're in a single non-CDB environment or a PDB environment. Let's get started.